Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, in this video we will see what are the advantages of PVC wall panels and where we can use it and what are the price of PVC wall panels installation. So let's continue this video. So friends, the cost of installing PVC wall panels can vary based on several factors including the size of the area, the type of panels, labor charges and your location. In India, the typically price ranges for PVC wall panels installation is approximately 40 to 250 per square foot. That means starting price is the 42 and highest price is the 250 per square foot. This includes both our material and cost and labor charges, and basic PVC wall panels price is the 40 to 80 per square feet. Basic PVC wall panels 40 to 80 per square feet and designer or premium PVC wall panels 150 to 250 per square feet. So friends, labor charges could be range from 10 to 50 per square feet depending on the complexity of installation and the region. So friends, PVC wall panels are popular choice for room interiors due to their several advantages. Here are some of the most key advantages and benefits. And first one is the durability. PVC wall panels are long lasting and resistant to wear and tear. They are highly resistant to moisture, which makes them ideal for areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basement where humidity is concerned. Third one is the low maintenance. PVC wall panels require minimal maintenance and they are easy to clean with just water and mild soap as their smooth surface with resides dirt and stains. And fourth one is the authentic appeal, available in wide ranges of colors, textures and patterns. PVC wall panels can mimic natural materials such as wood, stone or marble. This gives to the homeowners plenty of designs and options to the enhance visual appeal of your room. And so friends, next fifth one is the easy to installation. PVC panels are lightweight and easy to install. They usually comes with tongue and groove system which allow to quickly seamless installation even over exciting wall materials. And another one is the installation. These panels provide degree of thermal and sound insulation, improve the overall energy efficiency and comfort of the room. And seventh one is the cost effective. Compared to the other interior wall finishing materials like tiles or wood, PVC panels are generally more affordable, making them budget-friendly option. And eighth one is fire resistant. Many PVC wall panels are designed to be fire resistant, adding extra layer of safety to the room. And ninth one is the environmentally friend. Because PVC is recyclable and some panels are made from recyclable materials, making them eco-friendly choice. Its sustainable designs available. And 10th one is termite and insect resistant. PVC panels do not attract termites, insects, or pets, making them suitable choice for residential or commercial buildings. In summary, PVC wall panels are practical, versatile, and cost-effective solution for increase the appearance and functionality of the room interiors. And PVC wall panels are versatile and can be used in various settings due to their durability and resistant and easy of maintenance. And here are some of the common places where PVC wall panels are used to. Living rooms and bedrooms for modern look. PVC wall panels are used to create future walls or provide to the texture to the interiors without need for regular maintenance. And you can also use the kitchens due to their resistance and to moisture and stains. Living rooms and bedrooms for modern look for PVC wall panels and used to create future walls or provide texture to the interiors without the need for regular maintenance. And we can use also kitchens due to their resistant to moisture and stains. PVC wall panels are suitable for kitchen backsplashes and walls where they can withstand grease or splashes. And offices and commercial spaces, PVC wall panels offer to the professional look and they are durable and easy to install, making them good option for offices and showrooms and retail shops, anything else you can use anywhere. And restaurants and cafes in these settings, PVC wall panels are often to use their aesthetic appeal and resistance and humidity, heat and stains. Their versatile allows to them to